Today, I'm going to give you guys 7 suggestions for plants that help deter mosquitoes. What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today we're going to go over a couple plants that you can put in your yard or in planters on the deck that help deter mosquitoes. So suggestion number 1 is lavender. Not only is lavender beautiful with its gorgeous purple flowers, but it also smells amazing and it can be harvested later and used for things like stress and insomnia. Plant suggestion number 2 is basil. Basil is a wonderful plant to have in the yard because it can be used in all sorts of recipes in the kitchen. Plant suggestion number 3 is bee balm. Bee balm is a beautiful plant that is also forage for bees. And as we all know, the bees need as much food as they can get right now. Plant suggestion number 4 is mint. Mint is also a great plant to have in the yard because it can be used in all sorts of recipes in the kitchen. It is one that can come back every year though and can be a little bit invasive, so this one I would recommend putting in a pot. Plant suggestion number 5 is citronella. I love the smell of citronella and it is a great mosquito deterrent. Plant suggestion number 6 is lemon balm, and exactly as it sounds, it has a really nice lemony scent and it's one of the few plants that will tolerate a little bit of shade. And plant suggestion number 7 is lemongrass. Similar to the lemon balm, it has a nice lemony scent to it and it looks lovely in the garden. So those are my 7 plant suggestions to help naturally deter mosquitoes. I like putting these plants sort of in my garden or in planters on the deck, and I will use these plants later to make my own DIY mosquito spray, which I will show you guys in a future video. Thank you again for joining me. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, and I hope you have a wonderful mosquito-free day.